nice sunny day, but this mom got work to do. Her husband will return soon. And then it will be her turn to go fishing. And that's not the worst part. When her eggs hatch, that's when the hustle begins. This other penguin can also not just sit here, he also needs work to do. And he's on his way to go get fish for his own family. Just passing through, he's on his way to go catch food. But these two are likely not a couple just standing on the rocks. This one looks like he also wants to tan his back. Just turning around to get a little bit warmer. You probably think this writing's correct, but wrong. Most breed in this summer. 90% of penguins actually do breed in the summer. And the entire beach is windy. But these tiny birds also breed in the winter and in the summer. Also wrong. They get to chill in the summer, not the winter. But they are always hyperactive. And they just chill on the rocks every day. Did you thought this was correct again? Wrong. He's not chilling, he's on his way to catch fish. Wrong again. I definitely didn't put almost all the stuff incorrect just to prank you guys. And these two are also just breeding and tanning. Bye guys, please make sure to like and subscribe.